Welcome, adventurers! Get ready for the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome, a vehicle that will completely change the way you consider travel. This isn't just a van, it's a mobile microhome designed for efficiency and independence. With a 4x4 option for mild off-grid excursions and strong LED lighting for optimum visibility, its exterior boasts a creative and contemporary design. Its frame is incredibly tiny and light. The car is powered by a very effective hybrid powertrain that offers consistent performance and fuel economy. This powertrain is probably a small displacement gasoline engine combined with a mild hybrid system. It perfectly combines Suzuki's spirit of adventure with its pragmatic nature. The dashboard is well designed and ergonomic as soon as you walk in. Despite its small size, it has superb visibility and all the controls are easily accessible. A digital instrument panel provides a clear representation of the vehicle's data. The infotainment touchscreen serves as your control center and keeps you involved and connected on every journey thanks to wireless smartphone connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The inside of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is an exquisite example of spatial design. Every square inch has been carefully designed to provide maximum functionality without making the space seem cramped. Its inside is mostly composed of lightweight, durable, and readily cleaned materials, which makes it perfect for a nomadic lifestyle. It is easy to change up the arrangement thanks to the modular design, which may be used as a professional workspace, a cozy dining area, or a place to relax with an opulent fold-out sofa. The big windows and ambient LED lighting provide a warm and inviting atmosphere that will make you feel at home wherever your travels take you. At night, the bedroom section of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome turns into your own little sanctuary. An innovative convertible bed mechanism allows the seating area to be transformed into a comfortable bed for 1 or 2 persons. Some variants have the option of a pop-up roof, which adds an additional sleeping area above with screen windows for the best ventilation. An ergonomic mattress ensures a comfortable night's sleep after a long day of sightseeing. The bathroom in the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is cleverly designed to maintain functioning in a small space. It typically features a small wet bath, which is a waterproof area that houses a sink, toilet, and shower. Simple-to-maintain cassette toilets or portable toilets are available, as are small basins and handheld showers. The simple yet useful design ensures that you stay fresh while driving by using materials that dry rapidly and are easy to clean. Considering its small size, the kitchen of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is quite functional. Included are a portable cooktop, likely powered by a tiny gas burner or electric induction, a small sink with a water faucet, and an energy-efficient mini-fridge for keeping goods. Your kitchenware and utensils may be stored in the cleverly designed cupboards and storage drawers without taking up much space. You may turn any rest area into your own restaurant by using this kitchen to prepare everything from simple to delicious foods.